Let's take a look at these examples. Again, we're supposed to find the radians. Radians are equal pi over 180 degrees times degrees, 294.57 degrees. Now you're supposed to use the calculators. You're supposed to see on your calculator function pi, but let's say if you cannot find it, you can always use 3.14. But if you can find it, just simply type pi divided by 180 times 294.57. This is going to be equal 5.14 radians. And this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Anytime you have angle greater than 360 degrees, means that you went over one revolution. So what I'm going to do in this case, in order to simplify this problem a little bit, I'm going to subtract from 480 360. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 4 minus 3 is equal 1. 120 degrees angle is equivalent to 480 degrees, because 120 degrees is simply representing the 480, which is one full revolution plus 120 degrees. That's why I'm going to use only 120 degrees, and I'm going to plug in this into the formula. We have radians equals pi over 180 degrees times 120 degrees over 1. Please notice that we have common multiples. Okay, we have 10, which goes into 180, and I have 10, which goes into 120. That's why I can reduce 180 and 120 by 10. 0 and 0 will cancel out. Degree and degree will cancel out. I have 18 and 12. Both of them are divisible by 6. That's why I'm going to have pi over 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 12 divided by 6 is 2 over 1. Multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. 2 times pi is 2 pi over 3 radians. This is the solution to my problem expressed in terms of fraction. If you want to express in the decimal form, simply multiply 2 times pi divided by 3 on your calculator and you will get the decimal answer. At this moment, I'm going to leave the answer in terms of fraction. Let's take a look at the third example. We have 500 degrees. Anytime we get angle greater than 360, it means that we went into another revolution. Means we start to rotate. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to subtract 360 degrees from it. And I'm going to have 0, borrow 1 from here, 10 for 1 degrees. This is the equivalent angle to 500 degrees. Now, I'm going to use the formula and convert this angle to 2 radians. So pi over 180 degrees times 140 degrees over 1. Degree and degree will cancel out. Both of these numbers are divisible by 10, that's why 0 and 0 will cancel out. 18 and 14, both of them are divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to have pi over 18 divided by 2 is 9 times 14 divided by 2 is 7 over 1. Anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. That's why you will get 7 pi over 9 radians. I express my answer in terms of fraction, but if you want to convert this to the decimal form, you simply multiply 7 times pi divided by 9. And your answer is going to give you answer in decimal form. These are the answers to my problems.